right, hey, and welcome back to this madness, everybody.
Hi, everybody. This plot's getting interesting.
Yeah, but no less baffling.
Nope.
It's just, I don't know. It was, what the fuck is going on? And now it's, whoa, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, but that's kind of fun. So it's starting to sound like there's this, I don't know, this baby cloning island, and 12 of them got hip to it and escaped, and then they got suckered back in, and now they're stuck in a time loop.
That sounds as good a guess as any I would have. Now we need to go back to the shopping center to reclaim Catherine.
Mm-hmm.
And,
You can't do anything without Catherine.
yeah. And then after that, I guess we get told where we go to do whatever the heck it's going to be that we do next.
Yeah. Okay. This might be a good game to do with the an exercise. That's where they make you jog.
Make you one actual step per step in the game.
Yeah.
Oh God.
You do so many steps.
We're up to 12,700.
Yeah. That's about how many I do every time I go to San Francisco anyway.
Is it?
Yeah. They make you walk out there. They're like, oh, we gotta move your legs, we gotta get the microtransactions.
This bridge doesn't seem very sturdy.
Yeah. I don't know, I guess wires and that hold bridges up in real life aren't super thicker than that. Whew, still walking.
Still going. Here we go.
Woo! How was your birthday, Riff?
It was fine. Real casual.
Nice.
Ate some pie.
Nice.
Caught some Pokemons.
Nice.
Oh hey, it's this guy.
Hey! That guy! Catherine is in another castle. I mean, thanks is just one word. I guess you can say thanks.
Well, you know, it's like how if you've got 4 cheese macaroni and you
Oh
put
no,
2
not this
units
again.
of cheddar in it, that's
No,
2 cheeses.
No! We settled this a decade ago!
I don't know if we settled it or
I
not.
don't think we ever settled it. It's not 2 cheese. It's just 1 cheese. It's 2 handfuls of the same cheese.
Yeah, but that's 2 cheese.
No! God, why?
1, 2.
No. If you make a 4 cheese pizza, that's 4 different kinds of cheese. You can't just put on Anyway. Literally nobody else has context for the two cheese thing.
Oh, wait, plot is happening.
Yeah, 11. You know, the girl from Stranger Things.
I still haven't watched that.
That's pretty good. Well, the first season was good, and then the second season started off pretty good, and then went eh.
Okay.
And I'm not
Which
very far into the third
season is the one about Upside Down?
The first one.
Okay.
Yeah.
That from what little I've heard about it, that seemed like the interesting one.
Oh yeah, the first season was compelling as fuck. Like I watched 4 episodes and then I went to work and I was like, I need to get off of work so I can go home and watch more Stranger Things. And then a lady came in and was like very slowly asking me to show her all the meat in the case.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was like, please, I need to go home and watch Stranger Things. You don't understand. Just go straight, huh?
Going. Yeah, they made a Lego set of, I forget if it's the house or a convenience store or what,
Oh,
but
that's cool.
it's double-sided with the upside down
Neat.
version underneath it, so you can flip it over either way.
That's very cool.
Oh, we've never been here.
Yeah. Kinda into this music.
Yeah.
Did you watch Russian Doll?
Say what?
Did you watch Russian Doll?
Russian Doll?
Yeah.
Is that the one with the lady
got-
assassin and the lady agent?
No.
Okay.
It's the one with
What that
Natasha
one is.
Lyonne where she keeps dying and coming back.
Oh, no, I haven't heard of that.
It's very good. It's only 8 episodes long.
Okay.
Okay.
Who even are you?
Oh my god.
Which
Uh,
which field?
Yeah, what? How do we field? How do we field about not being able to get into this field?
Okay, I guess we don't get either one.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Oh!
Yay!
Catherine! Oh, thank God.
What a relief.
Yup, yup. Woo! Yeah!
Now what?
I don't know.
I kind of feel like I should go the
Just
rest of the
run
way
up
to
to
the end
the-
of this
yeah?
road. Yeah.
I mean, it's there. That's what you do on roads.
That's right. That is what this game has taught us.
Yes. Roads are for going on.
That's right. What even is this place?
I'm not sure. It looks like some kind of gladiatorial arena with a big old obelisk or something.
Yeah.
Huh.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh,
Whoa.
This is a DS feeling.
Oh no. Oh no. We went all this way for a DS feeling? least we know Catherine works.
All right, back we go.
Woo!
Woo!
Okay. That was fun, huh? Everybody having a good time? I'm out of Netflix originals that I've watched.
What's that?
I'm out of Netflix originals that I have watched.
Yeah, I haven't really watched anything either. I haven't even really been watching any anime recently.
Oh, yeah. Been watching a lot of Kaizo Mario runs.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Those are pretty good.
Why did you settle on that?
I don't remember. They're fun. They're fun to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was like one that started it, but I don't remember what the impetus was for watching it.
I think currently I'm following. Well, Voidburger is doing a Silent Hill 3 Let's Play, but that's on hiatus. Super Great Friend is playing Frankenstein Through the Eyes of the Monster, which is
Nice.
the point-and-click game where you're Frankenstein's monster, and Tim Curry is Dr.
Whoa!
Frankenstein.
That's great.
It's kind of amazing. Like every line he does, it's like he like both chews the scenery and exudes, I don't really want to be doing this. So
I don't
it's
really want to be
amazing.
doing this, so to make it fun for myself, I'm going to
Yes,
do as much scenery as
exactly.
possible.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
incredible.
Yep.
Oh, that's good. I want to get off of hiatus. Tim Rogers teaching Jason Schreier Japanese via Chrono
Oh
Trigger.
yeah, I need to start looking at those.
Yeah, they did 3 eps, and then they were like, okay, one of us is going to Japan and the other of us is going to have a baby, so we'll see you in like, I think late October. And I just want to point out that it is mid-November, and the establishment owes me a Snickers. That's a reference to the movie Reality Bites.
Okay, never seen it.
Okay, yeah, Ethan Hawke gets fired from his convenience store job for just like taking a Snickers and eating it because he feels like the establishment owes him a Snickers.
I feel like the establishment probably owes all of us a lot more than that.
Oh, absolutely. Yep, only shit on company time. Even if you don't have a
$1
job.
and I make a dime. That's why I catch Pokemon on company time.
I tried that at the organic grocery store when there weren't any customers, but it was so far out in the country that there weren't many Pokemon at all. But I did catch a Bellsprout.
Well, that's appropriate.
Yeah. Organic free-range Bellsprout. Yeah.
Probably wouldn't want to eat one of those, though.
Because it's got a face.
Well, because they... Well, yeah, okay. Yes. But besides that, because they evolve into Rafflesia, also known as the corpse flower, because it smells like rotting meat. So...
Oh, see, I feel like
I don't know how edible those are.
I feel like you gotta get them, that's why you gotta eat them while they're Bellsprouts.
Okay.
Yeah, before they evolve into the corpse flower plant. Mon.
Yeah. Man, there's some really good ones in the new game.
Oh man. Everyone on my Twitter was going nuts over the wheezing that's shaped like 2 bongs.
Oh yeah, that's like an industrialist with the mustache and the giant smokestack hat. Yeah, that thing's pretty good. I ran into one last night called Phalanx, which is a literal like squad of 5 little Roman soldiers.
Weird. And here I thought
Like-
Doug Trio was weird.
See, just these 5 little round guys that look exactly like if you took just the head off of Marvin the Martian.
Whoa.
And it's a single Pokemon. Like, yeah, if you thought Doug Trio was a weird thing to be a single Pokemon,
Pokemon.
this is a line of 5 guys.
Weird. Did you get any burgers from them?
Not yet.
Oh, man. Watch out for if you have a peanut allergy. That's all I gotta say about Five Guys.
Oh, is it one of those places where, like,
Yeah, where they just have
the
peanuts
entire
on.
atmosphere is peanuts?
Yep. And if you have a peanut allergy and even like go near one, you will probably just keel over dead.
There was a tweet somebody did recently that was like throwing a handful of peanut shells on the floor. This is a steakhouse now.
It's funny because it's true.
Yeah. Well, we got Catherine back, Ito. Now what do we do?
Yeah.
You better. Oh no.
Uh,
Somebody's got to tell us where to go next, man.
yeah, please.
Oh my god.
So it was Remy who told us to go.
I guess I should have stopped back at the shopping center and seen if that guy was there again.
God, oh no. What if that was it? Oh my god.
Alright, back we go.
Woo!
Video games.
Video games. Oh my god. It's a good thing that the plot's compelling right now. Oh my god. I was thinking about that tweet recently, the one where it's like every time I'm not in the shower I feel like, oh no, the wet world is a bad place. And then when I'm in the shower I think, no, the wet world is a good place. It is the dry world that is the enemy.
I hadn't seen that one. That's pretty good. I feel much the same way about sleep.
Oh yeah. Oh, like when you're up and you have to go to sleep and it's the worst.
Yeah. If I'm awake, I will never go to sleep. And if I'm asleep, I will do anything other than get up.
Yep.
I like a sleep riff has no goals in life other than to go back to sleep.
Yeah.
And to hear this particular mix of I got rhythm again.
Yeah. I remember the time that you announced that you were ready to sleep for your country in the Olympic Games.
Yes. I think I'd be good at it. I'm real good. I don't move around much in my sleep either. I bet I could sleep if you took like a foot wide plank and upholstered it so that it would be comfortable. I could sleep on that.
Holy shit.
Maybe like a foot and a half.
Yeah, are you gonna like fold your arms on your chest, or are they gonna be all droopy?
No, because I sleep on my side. So they kind of go.
Okay.
They kind of go like under my head and across the shoulders, kind of deal.
Okay. I always start sleeping on my side and then wake up on my back. And I always feel kind of weirdly betrayed about it.
I didn't like miss it, did I?
I hope not.
Oh no, this is it.
Yeah, okay, cool. We've done a couple thousand steps already.
He's not here.
Oh no! Where are we supposed to go? parking lot for an island that doesn't allow car traffic.
Oh my god. There's gonna be nothing in this episode.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be an entire half hour of running down the road to get Catherine, and then
Oh my
right.
god. We're supposed to talk to the middle-aged guy in the cornfield again?
Maybe. I feel like I didn't see him again either, though. But it is shorter to run this way than it is to run back. Remember, like, way back in, like, I don't know, it's probably like the third or second episode of this, where I commented that this game is basically running forever.
I vaguely remember
Or,
something.
like, I think when we the episode where we first hit the main street, and I said, "Welcome to the game. This is it." or like this is one of the main themes of this game.
Oh my god. I feel like that took us like 6 episodes to even get outside.
Yeah, that's true. It was probably more than that even. Oh, he's here.
Hello. Millennials.
Okay, boomer. Oh, that got used up and ruined so fast.
I know. Just immediately.
Yep.
Yep. I did like the Baby Yoda version, where he's like, boomer okay. Gwaha washi shishi, riff. It was so badly.
Oh god. You just straight up threatened to not give us the flag.
Oh god. Lady Natsuko. What? I'm not a messenger, I'm a searcher. The messenger is a guy named Ken.
I have no idea what's happening.
Yeah, same. In the hotel.
Okay, in the hotel. All right.
Okay, we can.
That
go
was
to a
the
hotel.
that was the detail we needed, sir.
Yep. Is this what On the Road by Jack Kerouac was like?
This game is actually based on that.
Oh. I figured it was either that or The Road by Cormac McCarthy.
Yeah, The Road by Cormac McCarthy is it's a prequel to On the Road.
I see. which is a prequel to Band on the Run.
Do you think we'll get back before the end of the episode?
What do we got, like 4 minutes?
Yeah, like 4.5 minutes.
Something like that? Probably not.
Oh man, we missed 15,000 steps.
Oh no! Oh, it happened so quickly. Maybe they'll stop us for 20,000 and give us a prize.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we're not even back to the lighthouse yet. This is balls.
Do you think the design meeting was like, well, we can't just straight up tell the story. Like, we can't just put the puzzles right next to the other puzzles. We gotta have some gameplay in between all of that to make it a game. What do we put? Just have you run down a road forever?
Yep. What do the kids love?
Yeah. There's a 10-minute long stretch of nothing.
Yep.
You just push forward on the controller.
Make you feel like you're really there.
Yep. And then everyone laughed, and then Suda51 said, "No, really."
Yeah. I need it by Monday.
Fortunately, that won't be hard.
Yeah. Just stretch out the pixels.
That's true. Give me these big, long, rectangular pixels.
Say what you like, it's an aesthetic. Oh man, I was recording a podcast with Jay Tholen the other night, and I got to say the words. So what's your dithering algorithm? Are you a Floyd Steinberg guy? And it turns out, yes. Yes, he is.
He is, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I've heard that phrase before. I have no idea what it means, if anything.
Oh man, so you know about the dithering?
I mean, I know that dithering exists. I know that it's how you make a shade when you don't have the ability to actually print that shade by using pixels of different shades together.
Yeah. So you know about the dithering.
Yeah. I mean, I grew up with the earliest of early Macintosh computers, which had black pixels and white pixels, and that was what you got. So I know a dither, but I don't know one type of dither from another.
So there's I think Floyd Steinberg is a little more kind of stochastic looking, and then there's shit, I forgot what it's called, where it's like more regular, which kind of gives it that old-timey video game look.
Okay, sort of gritty.
Yeah.
Grid-y, not gritty.
Grid, yeah, like dark and edgy.
Yeah.
For the new
You know, like that hockey mascot or whatever.
Yeah. Dark and edgy.
The algorithm makes all your art look like gritty.
That would be... Wow, someone should write that.
I'm sure Google already has one of those.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it back to the hotel before the end of the episode.
Yay! Yeah, you met him. Oh no.
Uh-oh. right. Well,
All right.
I believe that's the last episode we need to record in this session.
Oh man.
I will go stand in front of our destination so that
Good
we'll know what
plan.
we're doing next time.
Oh, good. Oh, watch us turn and walk away from it. Man, are we gonna make it all the way through the holidays not knowing what the secret of Flower Sun Rain Island is?
Right? Well, it'll be an interesting New Year surprise.
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
Okay.
Leave it standing right here.
Right there. Yep.
So join us. Well, what for you will be next week, and for us will be a
Yep.
month and a half from now, and
Yep.
we'll
Have
see what's
pity.
in room 408, everybody.
Yeah. Have pity on future us's because we're not gonna have any idea what the fuck we were doing.
Yeah. I mean, I guess technically we could watch the episode, but
Good.
how
but we
likely
won't.
is that to happen? Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, cute everybody.